Alrighty, folks, the last couple of weeks, we have talked about a very exciting product that Convoy Home Loans has access to that can get you 30-year fixed rate debt at 5.5%. We've talked about it in detail. We've given you the parameters, but some of you don't watch to the end, which is okay. I get it. It's exciting. I understand. What we're going to do in this video is we are going to hit the parameters on how to get a 5.5 30-year fixed rate mortgage right now, right up front with Jonathan. How you doing, buddy?
I am good. I'm good. I love everyone reaching out. I really love speaking to everybody. Dustin does too. Um, we wanted to make sure that it's clear because a lot of people have been asking us kind of questions that we are answering in the video. So I want to make it clear up front earlier in the video for everyone. Um, Actually, though, the 30-year fixed rate in terms of a max buy down perspective in personal name, we're talking about the product that I talked about last week that created all the buzz. Now we're talking about an improvement to that product, but the parameters of the product, which now it's actually 5.375 is the floor.
Oh my
So
goodness.
it dropped an extra eighth. Okay. So that you can buy it down an extra eighth, but the 5.5 and the 5.375 are the floor rates, meaning you have to start at a rate and then you buy it down to that rate. So it's not that you get 5.5 from the get-go for
Of
free,
course.
right?
Yep, of course.
So I want to make sure that's clear. The amount of the buy down, I can't tell you everyone in the channel because it doesn't, like, every scenario is different. But what I've been seeing in average is if you want to buy it down to the floor rate, it's been anywhere between 175 to 2.25 points to buy
Okay.
it down there. Okay. So it's not crazy, but it's still depending on the loan amount. That's kind of what we've been, seeing on average.
Okay.
Now, in terms of minimum loan amount to qualify for that product, it is a $200,000 loan minimum. So anything that means that loan, not purchase price. So a lot of people have been calling, I have a $200,000 value property. Can I get that product? Unfortunately, not. The minimum loan amount is $200,000.
So you would really think it would have to be a minimum purchase price of 250.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right.
And then in terms of the 18 states for that product, it's only available in 18 states. To repeat again, that's Arizona, California, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Maryland, Michigan, Minnesota, New Mexico, North Carolina, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, Washington. So those are the states that it's available in. If it's not in those states, we're going to talk about another product in a little bit, but that is what's available right now. You can buy it down again, and then just make sure you keep in mind if you're having the seller pay for the discount points or whatnot, the maximum that they can credit is 3%.
There you go. I like it. Yeah, at the end of the day, we're in a buyer's market. If you're not asking for 3% seller credit today, all I got to just ask you is what the hell are you doing, right? Go get everything you can. This is a buyer's market. It's time to act. I love the fact that we not only get 5.5, you can buy it down to 5.375. The question that I saw in a lot of the videos was, and I just want to make sure, does this work for a refi, rate and term, cash out refi? Is it available for all of those as well?
Oh, yes, it's available for purchase and refinance.
Okay, let's be very clear on refi.
Yeah. Yep.
Rate and term or cash out or both?
Both. The buy downs is just different, right?
Yes, of course.
So
Yeah.
what we've been seeing is if you're cashing out, a lot of people are going 70%, buying it down to 5.875, and then just keeping it there because the buy down to there is kind of minimal. Just keep it rolling there. If you're doing a purchase, a lot of people doing, the floor if they're getting credit, or they're just doing whatever 5.875 is. But a lot of rate and term people, right, that have a lot of equity. So they're sitting at like 60% loan to value, 55. They're doing buy down to the floor, keep it running.
Yeah, I like it. And I had one more question, but I forgot what it was, so we'll just leave it at that. So again, this product is available, purchase, refi, cash out, rate and term, $200K minimum loan amount, 17 states, in your personal name, up to 80% LTV.
Correct.
Wow.
Not on a cash out. Cash out is 75.
Yeah.
Rate and term and purchase 80%.
That's amazing. All righty, folks. You know you want some of this 30-year money. Again, it's going to make a lot of deals pencil. Again, it's time to take action when everybody's not looking. Well, let's talk about the DSCR product that you could do in an LLC. Lots of investors like to buy in an LLC. Obviously, the first program will not apply because it has to be personal name, but you got access to lots of people. What's the next product?
The next product is a 6% to 6.375. That's the average we're seeing at, and sometimes without even buying it down, right? So 6%, 6.375, 30-year fixed DSCR in the LLC across the country.
Wow.
So if your LTVs are great, meeting those parameters, this one includes a prepayment penalty. The product before, also, we forgot to mention, doesn't include a prepayment
That
penalty.
was what I was going to say. No prepay on the first one.
Yeah, no prepayment penalty, but the second one does have one, whether it's a 5-year, 3-year, or 2-year, or 1-year. But you can get down to 6.375. For most people, if you are trying to make a move, this is kind of the time to make the move, to lock that in and just kind of make the moves that you can do going forward, because obviously the market is quietly going down in terms of mortgage rates. People, for some reason, aren't seeing that as much right now, especially buyers. And for investors, like the people that are taking advantage, and I love that the community is so active, they are trying to take advantage now, not wait. Because if they wait, then they realize that people at a certain point, the first time home buyers are going to start competing again for the same house that you're trying to buy on a disrespectful offer.
Absolutely right. Again, folks, this is the buyer's market. This is the time to be active. Mortgage rates quietly, as of yesterday, they are at a year-to-date low, 6.55, and quietly getting lower and lower. So again, when we get to some point, that first-time home buyer is going to come flying off the sidelines. They've been, the demand it's building like a hose, right? The pressure on a hose that you bend as a kid. And it's coming. That pressure is only building. So you got to take action now. Disrespectful offers, go get your 3% credit, all of those things. That's the message I have for folks is I don't know how long this buyer's market will last in most of the country. It will not be forever. And, 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, you're going to say, once again, I missed my opportunity. So write deals that make sense, get disrespectful, ask for 3% seller credit, work with Convoy. Jonathan, if somebody wanted to reach out, what do they do?
Go to convoyhomeloans.com and let us know you came for more at.
All right, buddy. I appreciate you. Have fun. Take care.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.